When designing a large banner, poster, flex, hoarding, or web banner in Photoshop, there are several important things you should always keep in mind to ensure the best results both for print and digital use. First, start by setting the correct canvas size. For print banners and posters, it's best to use inches or feet as your measurement units. Common print banner sizes include 3 feet by 2 feet, 6 feet by 3 feet, or even 12 feet by 6 feet for large hoardings. For web banners, use pixels, with popular sizes being 1200 by 400 pixels, 1600 by 500 pixels, or 1920 by 600 pixels. Always confirm the required size with your print shop or the platform where you will use the banner. Second, set the appropriate resolution, also known as DPI, or dots per inch. For small prints like posters or flyers, use a high resolution of 300 DPI to ensure sharp and clear images. For large banners and hoardings that will be viewed from a distance, a resolution of 72 to 150 DPI is usually enough. For web banners, 72 DPI is standard. Third, choose the correct color mode. For anything that will be printed, always use CMYK color mode, as this matches the colors used by printers. For digital or web banners, use RGB color mode, which is best for screens. Fourth, always add a bleed area to your design. A bleed is an extra margin, usually 3 to 5 millimeters, added around the edges of your canvas. This ensures that no important content is accidentally cut off during the printing and trimming process. Also, keep all important text, logos, and images within a safe area at least 10 millimeters away from the edge to avoid any risk of them being trimmed. Fifth, use high-quality images and vector graphics whenever possible. Avoid using low-resolution images as they can appear blurry or pixelated when printed in large sizes. Vector graphics, such as logos and icons, will always remain sharp, no matter how big your design is. Sixth, check your fonts and text sizes. Make sure all text is large enough to be easily readable from a distance, especially for outdoor banners. Use bold, clear fonts and avoid using too many different font styles in one design. Seventh, before exporting your final design, double-check all spelling, alignment, and color settings. It's a good idea to view your design at actual size and zoom in to check for any mistakes. When you are ready to export, use high-quality formats such as PDF, PNG, or JPEG. For print, PDF is usually the best option as it preserves vector shapes and text. Make sure to include the bleed area in your export settings if your print shop requires it. Finally, always communicate with your print shop or client to confirm the required specifications, such as size, resolution, color mode, and file format. This will help you avoid any issues and ensure your banner or poster looks perfect when printed or displayed. See you in the next video. Subscribe, like, comment.